everybody, my name's Leanna and I really like taking pictures. One of the bigger challenges of taking a nice picture is figuring out how to pose. I'm gonna give you some ideas. The first thing that I like to do is put my hands together and pretend I'm cracking open a peanut. I got this one from Alexandra's Girly Talk. I'll link her video down below. When I'm wearing pocketed bottoms, I like to stick out my thumbs. In my opinion, it looks way better than sticking out the rest of your fingers or putting your whole hand in your pocket. Another thing I do is tilt to make sure that I have curves. I don't have a lot of curves naturally, so I will do whatever it takes to give myself a fake hourglass shape. When I tilt, I definitely make sure to bring my leg in a little bit because as you can see in this photo, my leg is out and it doesn't look as good, and when it's in, it looks more hourglass, if you know what I mean. Accessories can totally be your props. For example, if I take a picture with a bag, I can hold it so many different ways and it's something to do with my hands. You could wear a jacket, take it off halfway. You could look over your shoulder while holding the jacket. You could do this without a jacket as well. You could use sunglasses. There's so many ways you can hold on to them. Put your hands near your face, hold your sunglasses. Makes a good photo. You could also swing your arms around and get a dynamic pose. This one's more up to chance as to whether or not you'll get a good one though. Sitting is also a pose, so find a chair, or if you're outside, a staircase or a chair, because chairs can also be outside. What do you do when the camera's all the way on the ground? You just lean forward a little bit, and all of a sudden your torso and your legs are suddenly even. Alrighty everybody, that's all the tips that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm actually sweating. That was a lot of moving around in a short time span. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye!